Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I am decorating for, and I apologize already for the nail, I'm decorating for November 27th through to December 3rd, and I'm getting into Christmas. So I'm going to be using my Christmas Vibes collection that I released in November, and I love the colors of these because they're still Christmassy without being your typical red and green. Let's get started. Alrighty, so first thing I am going to do is decorate with some circles up at the top. Here. And then I'll put the blue circle here. If you hear noises, my office is right under the kitchen, and my daughter decides that she's going to, while making her lunch, also start a band. Anyway, it's when she decides that it's such a good idea to, oh gosh, like even when my husband is upstairs, he'll start tapping his foot when he's playing guitar, and his foot is tapping literally right above my head. Oh boy. And I actually had to that day tell him, go into my office. This is what it sounds like from my office. And he got it. All right, so just putting a few stickers down at the top. I don't use the top for anything. I don't start actually writing anything in my planner until about 8:30, unless there's an earlier appointment. So I use that space to be free with decorations. And this week is also Henry's 9th birthday. He is turning, I can't believe he's turning 9, and then, hold on, I can't get my hands to function here. And we're having his birthday party on Saturday. And if you guys remember, you know how I feel about hosting, but for Henry's birthday, it just seems like the easiest thing is to invite family over. And then, do I want to put, yeah, I'll put that little washi there. And for the menu for Henry, we're going to be, well, I'm going to make baked spaghetti, but then he has requested from my dad escargot. Yes, he's a 9-year-old that likes escargot. Go figure. I mean, we had escargot when we were in Paris, and he absolutely loved it there. Like, right out of the shell, escargot. This kid's favorite food is crab. Yeah, I know. Okay, then I'm gonna put a circle down here in the corner. And I feel like I should have put this quote somewhere. Probably there is where I will end up putting it. Oh gosh. Have you guys put your tree up yet? We just put ours up yesterday, and I say yesterday as in Sunday, and yes, I am decorating my planner on the Monday night. Today has been crazy just with work, very busy considering that it's, where am I looking? Yeah, after Thanksgiving, and normally we're not that busy. 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna put this quote here, if it will come off. There we go. And put that down. Oh, I like that there. And then I'm gonna combine it with some of the smaller, oh no, I haven't put the socks down yet. These are socks that I would actually wear. Come on. Oh, I had cutting issues that day, so I'm using some of the oops that I wouldn't put up in my shop for full price. Oh, that's cute. I like those little socks. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this for now. And what I'm going to do, I haven't done this in a while, is take my Tombow Food Noscape brush pen and letter in the word sleep. And then I'm going to be using my Leonardo Momento Zero Grande 2.0, and it currently has Herbon Code des Tropiques 543, because this ink matches quite well. I had just finished using this for 30 inks 30 days, but I hadn't cleaned it out yet, so I thought, why not use it for my weekly spread. Then I can use one of these ink swatches. Use the peachy pink one. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna smudge that. It's okay. Oh, that looks cute. And then underneath, I'm gonna write workout. And I have been getting back into workouts lately, which has been nice, doing weight training and things, but I do need to go and visit the physiotherapist. Gosh, there's some ink on that. So here I am using my Lamy 2000, and it currently has Wearingeul Tsukuyomi in it. I don't know if I'm a big fan of this ink, but it does match with the stickers. So week 4 upper, week 4 lower, stepper, and then do it again. I follow workouts on well, I say follow, but loosely follow workouts on Body or Beach Body, whatever it's called now. And I like using that platform because when I work out from home, and it's just so much easier working out from home. I don't have to deal with having to pack my gym bag, have to leave the house. It's literally, I roll down the stairs and ready to go. Okay, then how do I want to do this? I want to use these, and I think I know how. So I'm going to, see, these are cute. And thank you to the viewer who recommended or suggested that I add little dots to my collections, because how cute are those? Oops. Oh yeah, super cute. So I'm gonna write in the word work, and I'm gonna alternate as well with the ink colors and then draw in the arrow for my work shifts. I'm counting down the days until I am on Christmas holidays. I'm taking about a week and a half off before the craziness of New Year with where I work the month after Christmas. So basically all of January is super crazy. I'm super busy at work. I mean, I work for Weight Watchers, so the time after Christmas is always so busy. The time after New Year's is busy. Oops. There we go. And I've smudged it. Oh well. Always the risk. Okay, the ink is nice. And I think I could see myself using it for the week and be okay with it. All right, so now that that's in there, then I can get into my little appointments. So on Friday, I have a Weight Watchers, first of all, but then I also have nail appointment at 11:30. So I'm gonna do this. I could have used a dot, but I just didn't want to. And then this will be 11:30, 11:30, 11:20, 11:20 massage. So I'm going for an hour and a half because my body needs it. Then, oh, I did have a scale sticker. What am I doing? I did have a scale emoji. And Henry has Ninja. And then in the afternoon, I will be filming as I normally do. There we go. And then for Henry's birthday is that day, we are going to, well, I'll do some filming first. So I will film my cousin and the currently inked. Then, very important, actually this is where I think I will use a little dot, is I'm gonna take the kids for bubble tea and take them to Indigo as well. So all right, and then that night I will fold laundry. I don't mean to sound that chipper when I'm talking about how I have to fold laundry. It's just I like being able to use a nice cute sticker for folding laundry, not that one. So many of, according to Allie's, sticker albums. There we go. I love her sticker albums and mine are bursting. So Friday night I will fold laundry because I'm just that cool. There we go. Okay. And actually, I'm going all over the place, but my to-do list for today was also, I had it in my head, meal plan and order groceries. And then I actually should book a haircut for Henry on Saturday. I will have to remember to do that. And then, let's see. Then we have all of these cute little icons, which I have way too many of, but that is okay. I went on a huge spree of buying all of the icons, and now I'm trying not to buy any more icons because I don't need them. I really don't. Okay, and then Tuesday night, put out all of the garbage bins. I do have to go to the post office during my lunch hour. And then Thursday is when my husband is going to go pick up the groceries, so I'm using my little grocery bag icon. Oh, I love that icon. It's so cute. Pick up groceries. Then Saturday, I am hoping to schedule a haircut for Henry, but we also need to do some cleaning to prep for my family coming that day. So let's get this cutie little girl from Paper Bits Co. Why is it that she looks so happy with cleaning? I don't know if I ever look that happy while cleaning. Ah, there's ink coming out of my Lamy 2000. Okay. Bathrooms. Bed linens. And we're actually just gonna do just a little bit of a tidy because we do have the cleaner coming next week. And then I have to cook. Now, I used to have a cooking icon, and then I gave it away because I realized I only really ever cook for like everyday dinners, so I don't really need a whole page of icons for cooking. Go figure. So I'm going to probably start the cooking then. I'll cook the baked spaghetti. And it shouldn't take me a ton of time, and then I can put it in the oven as soon as my family gets here. Then I'm gonna use, no, I have another, there's another icon here for family get together. And where is it? This is the thing, I really do need to organize this. But by the time I'm done doing all of my planning, I kind of just want to put it away. And it's not organized. And at the end of the day, I mostly know where they are. Most of the time. Okay. So, no. This is supposed to be coffee date. Alright, so, screw up. This is not a massage. This is a nail appointment. So, I'm going to, now, will this work? Yes, okay. This is crazy. I have been, this video is already much longer than I normally like it to be, and that's because I keep faffing around. All right. So I'm just gonna write here, Henry's birthday party. And then I will place one of the mini swatches over top. There we go. And then Sunday is gonna be Ninja for Henry at 11:30. Oh, I should have put the pink one down. Was there a pink one? And then I remembered that we have to go to Mass at 9:30 because it is the first weekend of Advent. So 9:30 Mass. And I think that's all I have to put in my planner. Gosh. Well, you guys get me talking. And I say that, and I'm literally here sitting in my office all by myself. Although I know some of you reply to what I'm saying. And that makes me feel really validated when I'm sitting here talking to myself. All right. So that is it. I think so. I'm sure I'll add more stuff as the week goes on, but I really like the color scheme of this, and I really like the ink choices. I think the ink choices work really, really well here. All right, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me. And I feel like partly that you kind of watch these because you want to see how the mess at the beginning turns out. All right, so let me know what your thoughts are on this spread, and if you like these types of stickers, or else you, gosh, I'm trying to wrap this up and I just keep talking. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.